Doctor, people when they talk about Ayurveda, the synonym goes that it is without side effect. It's safe to do at home. And hence many people, they use tulsi for cough and cold or turmeric as an antiseptic powder. Or there are several other medications when people use it at home. Something which people would also like to know, can some oils be prepared at home to add the aesthetic value, maybe the glowing hair and the long hair, the glowing skin?
Definitely.
So that not to depend on the adulterated market medicines.
Yes. Ayurveda offers care for different aspects of life. It's not just disease alone. Aesthetic aspect also is taken into account.
Yes.
Especially we can have different preparations of oil that can be used for the promotion of hair growth, preventing hair fall, preventing premature graying and dandruff and related difficulties of the head. So this time we will have an oil preparation which can be made easily at home with simple things available in your kitchen, and we see how an oil can be made on the coconut oil base at home.
And what do you think we will require for this? All of us are eager to learn oil preparation at home.
Just we require hibiscus flower and hibiscus leaves for preparing this coconut oil.
I've got it already set over here. The hibiscus flowers, the hibiscus leaves, and we require a little bit of coconut oil as well, you said.
Yes, little coconut oil is required.
Yes.
Hibiscus leaves and the flower can be made into a paste by adding little coconut oil and grind it very well in the grinding stone.
So can I take few leaves?
Yeah.
And then I take the flower as well?
Yes.
Okay, I think I should take just the petals, or I can use this as well?
No, only the petals are needed.
Sure. And we need to add a little portion of oil as well?
Yes,
sure.
Little coconut oil can be added.
And a fine paste is required, or we can...
we have to make it a very fine paste.
Yes. I'm sure everybody has a hibiscus plant in their backyard.
Yeah, it's a very
such
popular
a commonly available.
Commonly available. Throughout India it is available. It has got many varieties as well. Widely used one is the red variety.
How many flowers we should be taking?
Depends upon the oil you are going to prepare. You can make 150 ml of oil with maybe 2 flowers and 1 handful of leaves.
Sure. I'm sure it's going to be very easy to make as well.
Yes, it is very easy to prepare. Now the paste is ready. It can be taken into a bowl.
Very simple to do this paste.
Yes.
Some flowers are not crushed properly. That should be okay, I guess. The redness of the petal.
Yeah, that will stand out separately because too dark in color. Now the kadai can be kept on the flame.
So the paste is, and it's having a little sticky feel.
Yeah, because hibiscus has got that frothy nature.
So we have got this hibiscus paste ready.
Yeah, you can put the oil into the kadai.
I'm going to put it on as well. Here we go. So about 150 ml of oil?
Yes, 150 ml of oil.
Coconut oil?
Yeah, coconut oil we are going to prepare. 150 ml of oil is sufficient.
Guess I need to use this. Is there any season which we shouldn't use the oil, or we can use it throughout the year?
Oil can be used throughout the year. Especially medicated oil you can use anytime. Yeah. Now the oil is hot. We can add the paste to that.
Quite a sticky paste. Should we stir or we should not stir?
Yeah, you can stir a little, then leave it as such.
Okay. And how do we know the oil is ready?
You can boil it for 20 to 30 minutes. By that time the paste becomes little hard and brownish in color. Otherwise the bubbles will gradually stop. Again it will start appearing. That time we can take it.
So once we have mixed this paste thoroughly with the oil, should we stop stirring now?
Yeah, then you can stop stirring.
Sure. I smell the hibiscus.
Yeah. Yes, now the oil is ready. You can switch off the flame and filter it in the bowl.
Do we need to filter it hot or when it cools off?
When it cools down, actually you have to filter.
And this cooling should be enough?
Yeah.
Sure.
Really, it cools down.
A greenish tinge oil.
Yes. Now it is ready for use. You can apply it before bath or even after bath as a regular one to improve the overall health of the hair, to improve the hair growth, to improve the color of the hair, prevent the premature graying, and also to reduce the effect of dandruff. This oil can be used as a regular thing.